I've tasted on your behalf. It's yummy. How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Esther Henga. I share faith-based content and all things lifestyle. Today I am coming before you with some cooking. I want to do some cooking. As you can see, I have shown you some of the ingredients I have here. We want to do some baking. You're welcome. Let's know more. We're already now in the baking. As you can see, our cake is ready for the oven. We're passing time with some mangoes as we wait for the cake to finish cooking inside the oven. Why not have a bite of this? Yummy. for a trial. Let's see if this one is well cooked. Look at that. Yummy. It's just for the records. Look at that. Ish. Yummy. I've tasted on your behalf. It's yummy. It's yummy and nicely cooked. So, welcome back once again for more of this aluminum cooking as we explore different types and different tastes of flavors. And I know you like it. So, bye bye. See you.